I'm really sorry if you can hear that music throughout the entire video. It's because she's watching her baby sensory videos. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is India. I run British Beauty by India and I mainly do makeup and skincare. Predominantly skincare at the moment though, because I can bang on it. Obsession. If you like what you see here today, please go and check my other videos out and hit that subscribe button, obviously. For you guys who know me well, hello, welcome back. So today's video is a little bit different. I'm going to explain, then explain some more, and then show you. Anyway, I'll just get going. So, one of my most popular videos here on YouTube is my Retinoid update. Now, I keep wanting to say unfortunately, it's obviously not unfortunately because I just had my daughter. I had to obviously stop Retinoid the minute I found out I was pregnant because it's really seriously not advised that you use retinol at all, either when you're pregnant or breastfeeding. So even once I've had her, I now can't use it again. And like, that's a serious thing. Like, you just cannot use retinol. No choice, okay? So if you did not know that, now you do. I get asked continuously, where's my next update? That's the reason why. There is no next update coming because I just can't. Not for a good couple of years anyway, because I'm exclusively breastfeeding. So, I went on the hunt for a retinol replacement because I loved the effects that it gave me. Obviously, like, does anyone really love the side effects? No, but my skin was amazing, so it was kind of worth it. So I went on the hunt for something similar. I couldn't find anything. But then recently, I think I was on Huda Beauty's Instagram story and I saw, you know, one of the swipe up things that she does. It was a retinol equivalent. It was an article about bioretinol. So I did my research. Are you ready? So I found a website that is literally all about why bioretinol is the new retinol alternative. So it goes on to explaining what retinol does. We don't need to be there, that's not why we're here. So what is the retinol alternative? What do you do if you want anti-aging benefits of retinol but without all of the negative side effects? Now, because I'm breastfeeding, it's got nothing to do with side effects. It's got all to do with the fact that it literally gets passed to my baby and I can't have her. So luckily there has been an amazing advancements in ingredient technology and we now have access to plant-derived bioretinols, which are not part of the vitamin A family but function in the skin in the same way as retinol to deliver the same anti-aging benefits but without the side effects. So two of the best bioretinols available are, right, just hold your horses right now, Retinol A and Retinol, something, anyway, whatever. Now this is what you need to look out for. Right, so Retinol A is a plant compound found on the ingredient label as, bakuchiol. It's spelled B-A-K-U-C-H-I-O-L. Bakuchiol. I haven't got a clue. Anyway, so Retinol A works in the same retinoid receptor in the skin as retinol. It displays retinol-like activity without the negative side effects of retinol, yada yada yada. Anyway, you get the gist. So the before and afters are really amazing. Like, really amazing. The next one is Retinoid. So Retinoid is a mixture of plant extracts and is found on the ingredient label as Bidens pilosa extract, alias guineensis palm oil, Gossypium herbaceum cottonseed oil, and linum. Okay, you're just gonna have to read that for yourself. Linseed oil. Anyway, so Retinoid displays retinoid's receptor activity and mimics the same positive results of retinol to fight skin aging. Retinoid results in visibly younger, luminous and firm skin. It basically says that it does everything a retinol does, if that helps. Now that we've got all that stupid spelling and jargon out of the way, if you put in bioretinol or retinol alternative, there is actually a lot of products that come up. I was quite surprised. So the products that I chose are from Ren. When I've gone onto the website today, it's now actually not available as the duo that I got. So I basically got both the products together for 60 something pounds instead of 90 something pounds. But I'm sure I'll just come back into stock. Now, I asked Ren if I could use these while breastfeeding, and they basically said yes, it's okay to use while pregnancy, so breastfeeding's alright. But they also did say that I had to check with my doctor, but everyone always says that to cover their own asses, and I'm actually not pregnant and breastfeeding is not exactly the same thing. So I chose to get the Retinoid Anti-Wrinkle Concentrate Oil, that looks like this, and then the Retinoid Anti-Aging Cream, that looks like this. From the reviews on the Ren website, both looked absolutely fantastic. So I am super excited to see how it goes. Now, going forward, it actually says to only use this at night, but it doesn't give you a reason why. So I use it twice a day after I wash my face, and then I put this on top of it again twice a day, and that's it. I'm not using any other products. I'm really interested to see what happens. I will be doing a monthly update with this stuff, okay? So you have that to look forward to, and I hope you guys understand why I cannot do my tretinoin update. So that was quite a quick little video, but I just wanted to show you what I'm doing because I find it really interesting, and especially if I can actually find something that like mimics the results of retinol, that would be amazing. Plus not actually the side effects, because that peeling was horrible. I don't know if you can remember it, but I do. Right, so that's it for today's video. As always, if you have any questions, which I appreciate you might do after this video, please just comment down below. I'm always more than happy to answer you. And that's it. I have really got nothing more to say on the subject. I've just got a lot to do. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.